Health is wealth. YSRCP government in Andhra Pradesh has been implementing several schemes to keep the state healthy, especially for pregnant women and children. In this backdrop, the government of Andhra Pradesh, led by Chief Minister Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy, would inaugurate yet another scheme named YSR Sampurna Poshana scheme today. CM Y.S. Jagan will inaugurate the scheme from his camp office. Through this, the government has made arrangements to strengthen Anganwadi centers and provide nutrition food to pregnant women, nursing mothers and children. In addition, with existing Amruta Hastam, Balamrutam, YSR Sampurna Poshana scheme will be implemented. The scheme will be implemented in 8 ITDS, 52 ICDS projects and 8,320 Anganwadi centers in 77 tribal and sub-plan zones in 4 states where 66,000 pregnant and post-partum women are provided with hot milk, rice, pulses, vegetables or greens and eggs 25 days a month. Under the take-home nutrition kit, 2 kgs of multigrain oatmeal, half kg of peanut butter, copper-flavored jaggery and dates will be distributed. A total of rupees 87.12 crore will be spent on each beneficiary at the rate of rupees 1,100 per month, which 1.64 lakh children under the age of 36 to 72 months are given 200 grams of hot rice, pulses, vegetables, 200 milliliters of milk, egg and 50 grams of Balamrutam laddu for 25 days in a month. A total cost is rupees 108.83 crore at a rate of rupees 553 per person. As many as 1.50 lakh children between the ages of 6 and 36 months will be provided with 2.5 kgs of infant formula milk, 30 eggs and 6 liters of milk per month, while under the take-home nutrition kit, which takes rupees 111.60 crore at a rate of rupees 620 per month, and a total of rupees 307.55 crore will be spent on 3.80 lakh beneficiaries. The scheme will be implemented in 47,287 Anganwadi centers across the state except 77 tribal zones. 5.80 lakh pregnant and postpartum women are provided hot milk, rice, pulses, vegetables, chicken and egg 25 days a month. Under the take-home nutrition kit, 250 grams of peanut butter, 1 kg of copper flavor, 250 grams of jaggery, another 250 grams of dates and 1 kg of sajja flavor are provided per month. For this, the government will spend a total of rupees 591.60 crore at a rate of rupees 850 per person per month. Under the YSR Sampurna Poshana scheme, a total of rupees 296.52 crore will be spent on the scheme at the rate of rupees 350 per month for 7.06 lakh children between the ages of 36 and 72 months, and a total of rupees 667.44 will be spent on 13.50 lakh children under 6 to 36 months at the rate of rupees 412 each, for which the government will spend rupees 1,555.56 crore for a total of 26.36 lakh beneficiaries under the YSR Sampurna Poshana scheme. ICDS Projects Director Kartika Shukla said that all arrangements have been made for the implementation of these 2 schemes.